One of the most important safety points whilst you're out in the water is that you wear your life jacket at all times. And this includes if you're using your own equipment or equipment that you've rented from the activity hub. So keep the life jackets done up, keep them nice and secure whilst you're out on the water. So the buoyancy aids we use at the activity hub are a fairly universal size. The most important thing when you wear them is that you make sure that they're done up and they're secured nice and tightly. So you've got all of the straps on the side. The best way to do it is before you put them on, just loosen them off a little bit. So the shoulder straps, and then also you've got 2 straps on each side as well. So we can just loosen those off a little bit, and then when we're ready, pop the buoyancy aid on, and then just zip it up in front, just like this. And then we're just going to start at the bottom, tightening the straps on both sides. Do them at the same time, and work your way up the jacket. And then just take up any slack in the straps at the top. Just like that. So it's nice and tight and nice and secure. And that means if I was to fall in the water, it wouldn't come up around my face and I'd be able to swim really easily.